Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do data validation in Excel. So I'm looking for a way to prevent users from typing anyhow stuff within a within a column. So data validation will help you do that. So how do you do data validation in Excel? So I advise you first convert this to a table, okay? In case you want to add more stuff later. So I like everything there onto T and press enter. Okay. So after that, we are trying to secure this column, this course column, to ensure that if we want to have a new student, the user can only select from a drop-down list and not type whatever he or she likes there. Excuse me. So the next thing I want us to do right now is to give this list a name, this range. You want to name it. So I like all the items under the course column and go to your formula tab and go to define name. Okay, over here, define name. So we delete this default name. We don't want that. We want to create our own name. So let's call our range, let's name it master list. So if you're trying to name a range in Excel, you need to put something like underscore in between two words. Because if there is a space between two words while doing your naming, it will give you an error. So underscore is asking us where do you want to make use of this range that we're naming right now. So I call it workbook because we may later need this across other worksheets within this workbook. So it's fine that way, then we press OK. So the next thing we have to do right now is to create our drop-down list. So we want to secure this course column. We want to create a drop-down list so that visitors can select from the drop-down in case they want to hide a new student. So let's highlight this, let's say beyond what we have right now, for instance. And to do your data validation, you go to your data tab over here, then go to data validation. So this comes up and you go to settings. So under settings, you see allow the any value. Click on that drop down and click on list because we already have a list of what we want to have as a drop down in that column. So we choose list and under source put equals the table name. So the table name is master list, master underscore list. Don't forget. All right, and press and click on OK. So right now we have created our list in this column. So let's say we want to add a new student, for instance, and let's say the new student is Daniel King. Daniel is a male, then, and someone is trying to enter a wrong course. So let's say accounting, for instance, accounting, and the person clicks and press enter. You see what happened just now? That means accounting is not allowed. Instead, so the user will have to use this drop down to select the appropriate course title for that student. So let's say Daniel Kim, right now, Daniel Kim is studying data analysis. So just this data analysis. And this one is, let's say, Germany, for instance. Germany. So that's how to do data validation in Excel. So I hope you have learned something new today. If yes, kindly subscribe to this channel and also share with your loved ones. See you next time and bye for now. Thank you.